Hello guys, how are you today? I hope that you are great now. I am happy to see you again. And today we're going to have a wonderful day. Yes, we're going to have a wonderful day because we are going to learn in language class. And the topic for today is this, telling the sentences. Probably you are asking yourself, what is telling sentences? So let's start. But first, remember, we are in language class, and do you remember the date of today? Yes, today is Thursday, June 4th, 2020. Look, this is the book we are going to be using for this class, the grammar and the writing book, and this is going to be the book you and me will be using in this class. So open your books in page 74, page 74. And first, I will let you watch this video first. It's going to be a long video, but I will make it short. But now, pay attention to every sentence and repeat it. Repeat each sentence, please. So now you are understanding the difference between a question and a statement. A question is easy to identify because every question ends in yes, in question mark. Every question ends in question mark. And the telling sentences use a period. Look, when you are just telling something in a sentence. Example, look, a telling sentence always begins with capital letter, always, and ends in a period. The sun is yellow. So that is a telling sentence. Yes, because you are just explaining something or telling something. Obviously, the sun is yellow. So this is a telling sentence. But what happens when you are asking something? Or well, we have asking sentences. Use a question mark when you are asking something in a sentence. Example, what color is the sun? Very interesting, right? Look, begins with a capital letter and ends with question mark. And the telling sentence is the answer. Look, the sun is yellow. Look, begins with capital letter T and ends with a period. So this is the difference, and this is easy to identify. A telling sentence. Asking and telling, they are related. Yes, they are very related. Asking and telling, some words are different sentences. Yes. Is the dog dish full? The dog dish is full. Look, you are asking for dog's food, and somebody else is going to answer you. Yes. Is the dog dish full? The dog dish is full. And this is a question because begins with capital letter and ends with a question mark. And this is a telling sentence because begins or starts with a capital letter and ends with a period. Nice. I am happy for you because you are understanding very well. Okay, again, telling sentences. I will repeat this many times because I want you are able to understand everything about telling sentences. Telling sentences tell about something or someone. Yes, a telling sentence tells us something about something or someone, a person. Telling sentence and with a period. Look, period, period. A point, we don't say point, we say period, period. Yes. Now, telling sentences tells us something. Again, telling sentences tells us something and ends with a period, ends with a period. Yes, I see a superhero. Yes, this is a telling sentence. Why? Oh, well, for two characteristics that we can identify. The first one is beginning capital letter. And the second one ends with a period. Yes, it's easy to identify a telling sentence. So telling sentences tells us something, but ends with a period too. I see a superhero. Super, not super, superhero. Good. And now it's time to practice, time to practice. What can you see in this picture? Yes, it's a bird. It's a little bird in a nest. Yes, in a nest. So now it's time to practice and you will help me to understand and answer these questions or to mark, put a mark, check mark by the sentence that is right or that is right. Number one, the nest is in the tree or the nest is in the tree. But Mrs., they are saying the same. Yes, they are saying the same. But one sentence is not beginning with capital letter and hasn't period. So when we are choosing a telling sentence, always, always a telling sentence begins with, yes, with capital letter and ends in a period. Good job. Look, the first one is the right one because the begins with capital letter T and ends with a period. Good job. Number 3 and 4, they are saying or telling us the same. They are telling us the same, but we have to choose the right one. And what we have to do? Oh, well, you have to see if the first or the second sentence begins with the capital letter and ends with a period. Look, we can see the nest. This is a nest, look. Or we can see the nest. Which one is the best one? Very good, is the second one. Why, Mrs.? Oh, well, because we are beginning with capital letters and ends with period. Very good, you are great. Now, the bird sits on the egg or the bird sits on the egg. Which one is best for you? It's better. It's better for you. Excellent. The first one. Why? Again, because this sentence is beginning with capital letter and it's ending with period too. And number 7 and 8. The baby bird comes out or the baby bird comes out. First or second one? Excellent. The second one, because the second one begins with capital letter and ends with a period. Now you are able to understand the differences between sentences. Excellent. So now we are practicing telling sentences. Now, What if you do this test preparation? This is a test preparation. Maybe next week we're going to have tests. So test preparations help us to practice, to get good grades during the exams. Okay, test preparation. Find the sentences or the sentence, the correct one, and mark the sentence. We have to write a check mark. Number one has 3 options, and we are going to choose the best one. Remember, to choose one sentence, the correct one, you have always to see if a sentence has capital letter at the beginning and ends with a period. And the first, the second, and the third one. Which is the best? Excellent is the number 3 or the third one. The cow is black and white. Why? Oh, well, because the word the is beginning with capital letter and this sentence is ending with period. Number 2 has 3 options too. So now let's choose. Which one is the correct one? Excellent is the second one. Look, the cow lives in a barn. Very good. Now you are understanding. Number 3, it eats grass, or it is grass, or it is grass. So you have to choose the first, second, or third one. Very good. Is the first one, the number 1. Why? Because it begins with capital letter and ends with a period. Nice, guy. This is a very easy topic to understand. Number 4. Yes, the first one. Cows live with hens. Yes, they are living with hens. And excellent. Look, cows begins with capital letter C and ends with a period. And number 5, we're almost finishing now. Number 5, a hen lays eggs, a hen lays eggs, or a hen lays eggs. Which one is better for you? Is best for you? Yes, is the third one. Very good, excellent. Is the third one because begins with capital letter and ends with a period. And that's important to understand. If you want to choose the correct telling sentence, you always have to see if the sentence begins with capital letter and ends with a period. Excellent. Now, this is going to be your homework. It's your turn to do it by yourself. Complete pages 75 and 77 of the grammar and the writing book. So you have to send me your homework to the platform and I will check it. I hope you are enjoying this time. So see you guys.